Hi, I'm Gary Berger of Berger Law. This is my mom, Joan Berger.
Hello, how are you today? We want to talk a little bit about what your case is about when you come to us. If you've been injured in any way, either at a hospital, with a doctor, on a roadway, on a bicycle, walking, wherever you've been injured. So your case involves two issues. First of all, was someone else at fault for what happened to you and how you got injured? And the second issue is how much you were injured. So we call that liability. Is the other party liable, another landowner, another driver, a doctor, a hospital? Are they liable for your injuries? And we would first examine that when you come into our office. The second aspect of a case is how badly were you damaged? And those are the two areas that we as plaintiffs' lawyers have to put before a jury, and first before a defendant or a defendant's insurance company, and then when they fail to respond, before a jury.
And a lot of times the way we talk about that as trial is liability is what rules did the defendant violate? Were they driving too fast? Were they drunk? Did they go through a red light? Did the landowner have a hole in his yard and never take care of it for 20 years and knew people were walking there? Did the doctor not look before he cut or didn't do appropriate tests that medical articles 20 years ago said you were supposed to do? And if you're a rule violator, if you break the safety rules that are supposed to protect our society and by which we drive on roads every day or get medical care every day, then you're responsible for the harm that it caused. And the harm that it caused is damages, and that's the second part that Judge Berger was talking about. And it's important in a jury trial to resolve a civil dispute that the harm be fully compensated, not 75% compensated, but fully compensated. And that's one of the other things that we work hard in our cases, is not only to prove the case and win the case, which we expect to do in every case, but make sure that we communicate all the damages so that our clients are fully compensated. Now, there are some cases where there are weaknesses on one side or the other on those two issues. Have you encountered that?
Oh, yes, very frequently. Sometimes you're fighting on both fronts, both to prove the other person was at fault and to prove that the medical attention you needed as a result was caused by that occurrence. But sometimes the liability is very clear. Clear example, you're rear-ended by someone. That other driver is responsible, period. And then the only place that we have to put all of our burden, all of our work, is on the proving that the doctor's bills, the hospital bills are all due to that accident. That's the damages part.
Yep. So that's a little bit about liability and damages. It can be in a lot of different kinds of cases, and we're asked to try those cases. So if you ever need help with a personal injury case or other types of litigation, look on our website at burgerlaw.com.
Call us
at
542-2222.
or email us or message us and visit with us. We're happy to help. Thanks.